Alrighty, guys, welcome back to another edition here of our trash orders review. Now, I did miss a week. I had a lot going on, birthday week, my fault. But we're back, and we got a lot of bad orders to go over here. Now, we're going to start off here with this order from Pupusa, 2 items, 9.2 miles, $4. Now, that's all base pay. Okay, Popeyes is pretty expensive, and the people that are ordering know this. They also live extremely far, yet all they want to offer you is literally nothing. $0 in the middle of lunch. If you look at it, this order came in around 11:50ish. To be delivered by 12:32. That's it's not a good order. It's just not. So we're starting off hot. Anyways, the next one here, of course, from Taco Bell, 4 items. 9.9 miles, $4. This one is a little more troublesome for me because I know for a fact there is a Taco Bell a lot closer to the customer drop off. So maybe they were like, oh, you know what? The Taco Bell's down the street. We're not going to tip. It is what it is. But somehow, some way, the order went to a Taco Bell that's really far away. I'm pretty sure they never got this order, especially in the middle of lunch. This next one here is from La Pupusa Loca. It's a really good pupusa spot if you're in my area, but the people that order from there never want to tip, clearly. 1 item, 9.7 miles for $4.75. It's just bad. I mean, realistically, nobody should take that, and if somebody took that for $4.75, I wish I could find them and explain to them that they're losing money. Now, the next one here is from the Mayuri Indian Restaurant. 2 items, 15.4 miles for $8. This is so far from the restaurant. They live so far. The fact that it allows them to order, I mean, that's fine. If they want to do that, go ahead. But then they have to set up a minimum, dollar amount or a minimum tip for the distance or something. Realistically, I'm pretty sure they never got this order. It probably got canceled. Because no one's going to go that way unless they live out there or something. Now the next one here from Popeyes. 2 items, 11.5 miles for $5.75. There is a Popeyes a lot closer to that drop-off location. So again, I don't know the logic behind this. I'm pretty sure the customer does not choose which location it's coming from. But I could be wrong. It just doesn't make any sense at all. This next one here had me baffled. Okay, from Sweet Green and PetSmart. Going into Tyson's, there is a Sweet Green and a PetSmart probably within 2 miles of that customer's house. Now you could argue that maybe they ordered something from PetSmart that the other PetSmart didn't have or something, but realistically, you look at that payout, it's $18.59. That's not moving. That's what you're getting. So if someone takes this for $18.59 and you're going to drive 45 miles basically round trip, that's just crazy. This next one here from Reston Kebab. Now this kebab place, I'm not a fan of them. They're really, really slow. And this one is going literally to the airport. Now I'm sure it's going to a worker or something. I really doubt that someone that's, waiting for their flight is ordering food. 2 items, 7.7 miles. Now going to the airport is never easy. It's typically kind of complicated, especially the parking. And you're paying for parking. So realistically, if you're going to do a delivery, I'm sure you're probably going to go to the arrivals or departures and just put in your hazards real quick. But come on, who wants to do that? Especially now, you're not gonna leave your car running at the airport. That's just dumb. I mean, I honestly don't understand how these orders get delivered. It's just mind-boggling for sure. Now this one here from the Bellagi Cafe, I've actually never been there because all the orders look like this. So yeah, $2.50, 2 items, 5.1 miles. It's just a bad order. It's all base pay. There's no tip on there, and I say tipped you I don't know, $2, 25 cents, something like that. Now this next one here, when I saw this, I could not believe it. 45 items, grocery order, 4.5 miles, $2.75 as a grocery order. That's not moving. That's what you're getting. That's a lot of items. That's just, the fact that people can place orders like this is just sad. Now, look at this one right here from Smoothie King. 2 items, 9.7 miles. Going 675 into Maryland. I don't know if there's a closer Smoothie King, but I know no one's gonna take it for basically almost 10 miles just one way. Then you gotta come back. That's 20 miles for probably $6.75, which no one is gonna do. And you're not even thinking, putting into account the traffic. Whew, man, these orders are getting me heated right now, just going over them. Look at this next one from Santinis, going 2 items, 11.8 miles, 825. Now, the one thing I didn't understand about this order is I'm pretty sure Santinis is not even open that early. But the order still came in. Now, I could have taken it, probably gotten half pay or something for marking the store as closed, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I don't know. I don't remember them being open so early. But then again, I haven't gone to this one a whole lot. But it doesn't matter. The order's just bad. This next one here is from Maggianos. I get a lot of good orders from Maggianos, and then I get a lot of trash orders from Maggianos. And this one was going to a hospital, which made it even worse. So, yeah, just a big flat no for me. Look at this one right here from Founding Farmers. Typically, we get some good bangers from them, but, you know, we also have a bunch of duds. 3 items, 12.4 miles for $7.50. All the way to Arlington, basically DC. Awful. Now this one right here, I've actually never heard of this place, Route to Provisions and Grocery. It almost sounds like a ghost kitchen, but for grocery stores. I don't know. 1 item, 12.7 miles for $8.75. Just the miles just don't make any sense up front. Like, who's gonna do this, you know? And you know, the trash continues. Look at this one here from the Cheesecake Factory in Paul French Bakery and Cafe. 3 items, 14.1 miles for $10. Like, I don't even know what to say to that. That's a terrible stack. Terrible. Awful. Same thing with this one. Look at this one here from Pho 7 and Super Chicken. And this is coming in like 12:45 in the afternoon. So you're still on lunchtime. 2 items, 14.8 miles for $6. Like, DoorDash has literally no shame. Like, either both customers didn't tip at all and you're getting $3 each from DoorDash, which is super low. But it's crazy. Just look at that order. Look at that. Who is doing this? Who is doing this? Ay. Another bad one here from Grill Kebab. 4 items, 12.3 miles for $7.75. Now this one again, there's a Grill Kebab much closer to that customer drop off. So again, these orders must get canceled. There's no way people are getting this delivered. Like, there's just no way. There's no way. And this one right here was a hot topic for me in one of my videos. Hopefully you guys saw that. Project Dash. So basically, you're delivering donated food from restaurants to, you know, homeless shelters, churches, you know, for places that help people in need. That's all good. I support that 100%. But look at the offer. 8 items, 24.6 miles, just one way, by the way, one way, for $22.50. Okay, now these orders are not, no one's tipping, so it's not moving. It's gonna stay at $22.50, right? But if you look at the time this order came in, 5:24 to be delivered by 6:13. Traffic. For one, you're gonna encounter a lot of traffic, right? And then you're gonna drive all the way back. So this right here, like, if you want to donate your time and you want to drive and sightsee for free, this is perfect. Because you're not going to make any money on this. You're going to actually probably waste almost 2.5 hours, you know, round trip. And what really got to me was, you know, the the verbiage, the diction that DoorDash uses. By completing this delivery, you're helping fight hunger. We can fight hunger together, DoorDash, but why can't you pay a decent, you know, wage, I guess, per se, for the offer, right? $22.50, 24.6 miles. This order should at least be paying $40 so you can break even on the mileage alone. And even then, you're not really breaking even, you're still losing. So I'm curious as if anybody actually got that. If anyone delivered that. I'm assuming somebody did, and then they probably are never going to do it again. You know, it's just bad. Then it just gets worse. This is Just Wings, which is a ghost kitchen here for Maggianos. 4 items, 10.6 miles, $2.25. There's just so much trash to go through. I'm trying to just pick some of the best ones because some of them can be a little bit repetitive. Look at this one right here from Honeygrow. One item, 13.6 miles, $4.75. Man, these orders are just so bad. Then we got this one here from North Italia. Two items, 8.2 miles for $5.50. $5.50. Man. Now we haven't talked about Noodles and Company a whole lot, so why not? Let's talk about them. We're gonna end it here with the Noodles and Company order. Three items, 8.2 miles, $4.75. Man. And this is just again some of the trash that I'm offered. I don't take all the screenshots because then I will have an entire army of just garbage orders on my phone. But it's always fun to look at, and we can always break them down. I'd like to hear you guys' feedback. What do you see, in your market? You guys can always send me an email, send me your garbage. I would love to see other bad offers. I see a bunch of them on the Discord. If you have not joined the Discord, please consider doing so. We talk about all the apps, not even just DoorDash. We got people talking about Spark, Uber Eats, Grubhub, DoorDash. We talk about random stuff, football. It's a lot of fun over there. And of course, we can always bond with these garbage orders. Anyways, guys, I'm going to try and make this a weekly thing so the garbage doesn't accumulate on my phone. But regardless, thank you so much for coming along on today's episode. Now, the clip you are watching here is from my little trip to DC in one of my Macy's trips, if I'm not mistaken. But anyways, again, thank you guys so much. Please consider subscribing. Peace.